Okay, for the first newcomers lesson, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste text. Okay, this is going to come in very handy when you're doing your chores for internet marketing, like emails, or copy and pasting text for different things. Okay, now to find your notepad, if you're on Windows 8, you're going to have to go over to the bottom right hand corner, and then a search box will pop up over here. Okay, this is on Windows 8. And then up here you'll type Notepad. And when you find Notepad, what you want to do is you want to right click on that and pin it to the start menu or to the taskbar. Okay, if you pin it to the taskbar, it's going to be right down here on your taskbar with all your tools whenever you need it. Okay, so it's going to come in very handy. You're going to use it a lot. So when you find it in Windows 8, right click here and pin it to the taskbar. Now see, if I unpin it, it's going to disappear. But if I right click and pin to taskbar, it's going to be right here where I need it. Now you can also left mouse and drag that to where you want it. Okay? Now if you're on Windows 7, you're going to go down here to the bottom left hand corner and you're going to see a little Windows emblem. Okay? And you're going to click on that and there's going to be a search box. And in the search box you just type Notepad. Okay, or you're going to have this box that opens up here and it's going to say Program Files, and then you're going to click on there and you're going to find Notepad, and the same thing, you're going to right click on that and pin it to the taskbar. So that way you'll always have it right here. Okay, so Windows 7, go down here, click on the emblem, you'll see a search box, and then you can search, just type the word Notepad and it'll pop up. All right, or go to your Program Files and open that folder, and when you see Notepad, just right click on it, pin it to the taskbar. Okay, so now that we have that open, let's just type some text in here. Now you're going to hold your left mouse button down and you're going to highlight that, or you can hold the control key down. Now the control key on a regular keyboard is down the bottom left. It's the CTRL key. On a laptop it might be located a little bit different, but find the CTRL key and you have to hold that down while you press these commands. But if you hit Control A on your keyboard, it's going to highlight all. But hold the left mouse button down and highlight this, and then hold the control key down and hit the letter C as in cat, and that's going to copy that. But be sure to hold the control key down all the time while you hit C. Now if I just left click in there and I go down a few spaces and then hold the control key down again, keep it held down and hit the letter V. Alright, so you could paste that again, control down and hold it down, hit the letter V. Alright, now I could highlight all this again and hold the control key down and hit the letter C, and then unhighlight that and go down here and control key down and hit the letter V as in Victor, and that would all paste in. So that's going to come in very handy. Okay, so that's how to copy and paste text. And down below there's a bunch of other commands that you can try out and get used to the copy and pasting, get used to using this notepad. And I don't want to save this right now, so we'll move on to the next lesson. That's a little bit on how to copy and paste.